Hi friends, welcome to Global Tech Code channel. In this channel, we are discussing about programming language like Java, HTML, etc. Today we are going to discuss about the most important term in HTML5. Shall we start? Before starting this video, if you are a new user, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Now what is content model in HTML? The most important thing is in content model is a set of rules that define what type of content each element is allowed to have. Mostly, this translates into what other elements are allowed to be nested inside which other elements. For example, what are the elements I can give inside the div tag and what are the elements we are not able to give inside the div tag. Shall we see that? The types of content models are 7. First one, metadata content, flow content, sectioning content, heading content, phrasing content, and embedding content, interactive content. Shall we see what they are? First of all, flow content. Flow content means inside the body tag, what are the elements we can give? All the tags are flow content. And heading 1. Heading 1 is from the H1 tag to H2, H6 tag included in this heading content. Sectioning 1. Sectioning means the part of the section in this page using the tag calls sectioning content. Section tag and nav, aside, article, everything is included in this sectioning content. Phrasing content. Phrasing means the text of the body, which tags is mentioning the text of the body. That elements are included in this phrasing content. Also, embedded content. Embedded content means audio, video, images which is inserted inside the page is called embedded content. Embedded content is the part of phrasing content. Also, interactive content. Interactive content means what are the things we are using for interactive to the page like video, audio and text. Everything is under in interactive page. Metadata. The information about the data of the page is called metadata. So it includes script style, title and meta, everything. This 7 type of content models are categorized under the 2 elements in HTML5. That is, the first one is black level elements. Black level elements are which is if you are given the if you are inserting inside a if you are giving the tag, it will display a new line. For example, div tag. If you are giving a div tag means it will insert in it will display in a new line. And second one is inline elements. This is it is not displayed in a separate line. Whatever line it's already present, it will display in the same line. So these are the example for inline elements. Now we see the example code for this one. Now I open Sublime text editor. Here I have a file block inline.html. I used head and body tag also. Here inside the body I gave div tag and inside that I gave one paragraph. This one will be displayed in a new line. And next one I gave another div tag. Inside that I give one span and that span content itself. It will display in the same line because this is an inline element. Shall we check that? Here, block line and paragraph is displaying in a separate line and also div and span content are displaying in a same line. The most important difference is the Black level elements starts with a new line by default, and inline elements starts with the same line by default. Here it contains inline and also other black line elements also. But inline elements does not contain black level elements, only contains the inline elements. Okay, we can see that proof. Again, I open Sublime text editor. Here I have a content model HTML file. Inside the body, first of all, I give one div element only. Inside the div element, I give the content. Then inside the span, I give the content. Then inside the div, I used span tag. So let's see how to display this. And then inside the span, I gave div tag. So what's the difference means? This is inline element. The div is black level element. We can't give a black level element inside the inline element, right? This is violating the rule. So we can check using the validator. It will because in HTML it doesn't display in a page. So first we check the page. Here div1 is separately displayed in a new line, and span also displaying in a new line, and div2 is displaying in I gave span inside the div, right? So that is displaying in a same line. Then I gave div inside the span, right? So that's also displaying in a same line. But this is violating the rule, right? So how to check that? We can use validator for that. Now you will copy this code, then open validator.w3org portal. Here there's an option in by validate by direct import. You can give the direct, you can paste the code here. You can check directly. You can also use this validate by file upload. Now I'm checking this. Let's see. Here I have the error because div is not allowed as a child of element span. So as per the rule, we can't use inside the span div. So it's displaying error. I gave this code, sample codes in GitHub. Also, I mentioned the path for GitHub in description. If you need, you can refer that. Yeah. Now we understood what is content model and what are the content model types and how to categorize under black level and inline elements like that. I hope you really like this video. Please subscribe and like, share, click the bell icon for this video. Thank you, friends. And also this video is available in Tamil language. I gave the URL in description and go through it. Thank you.